Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures and it's that time of the month again. It's the 25th and I'm sharing everything that I received or purchased to use for Christmas at the end of the year. First, I'll start with these little notepads because I actually got them in January and forgot to share them. They came with some recipe cards with the same design. I love that little cabin and I will use this around Christmas for little notes and shopping lists. I also received a few gifts. I got this tiny one English-French dictionary from Gabby. I like to put these out at Christmas, just red books. And then from Sally, I got this bump chenille poinsettia. Absolutely love it. And even though this isn't Christmas, it's red and green, and that's when I will display it. I have a nice little collection of these postcard books. I really love them. And I decided to add those to my book display for Christmas. I found these at a church thrift store. Magazines are 50 cents. Both of these are from December 2025, and I needed an image of amaryllis to put into my second Christmas journal that I am making. So when I saw the cover, it was perfect and perfect timing. And then I really loved this image here. So since they're December, they will probably have some nice imagery and words that I can use for my journals. And I also need some imagery for my collage book, specifically December. December has given me the hardest time. So I love these kids' books that have the matte images. And I really don't want to make December about Christmas in that collage journal. It's more about the nature and landscapes. But I saw these nice trees. And then also for my Christmas journal, so I have many journals and collage books going on. I did think it would be nice with the fireplace to put that image on one of the pages. So I think that this will be great for my journals. I was really happy to find these candles at Savers. I had actually walked by the candle section, in general, took it all in, and I thought, well, let's give it a second look. And I saw the color of it, and I saw that little stamp, and I thought, oh, that's kind of interesting. Gave it a little sniff, and then I saw it said the smell of Christmas. And I thought, oh, A for aromatique, and yep, right on the bottom. It says the smell of Christmas, aromatique. So I like this scent so much, I've included it in my Christmas favorites videos, and it's also in my Christmas journal for favorites. So I had a coupon. These wound up being $4 a piece, and I tried to look on Amazon to see how much you could buy them for. Amazon has the oils and the sprays, but I didn't see candles. I did see a candle listed at walmart.com for $33. So at $4 a piece, I was happy to find these, and they're brand new. I'm so excited for this find. I think this is my favorite for my February finds. This was online on eBay, I believe $10, like buy it now, and then shipping. It is silk, it is old, it is in fabulous condition. It says, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I had my eye on something else that was similar, and the colors were more of a burgundy and olive green, which is fine. I'm still thinking about purchasing it. But this is a beautiful, like red purple. And then on this side, it's gold, but this side, I guess with the color combo, it looks kind of peach. It's got a bird, it has roses, then it has the holly and the berries. It is so soft, but this isn't just printed on, it is woven in. My last find is the set of ornaments. The vendor is calling them scrap and tinsel comets, 5 of them for only $6. And they're a little tarnished on the ends, but really sparkly. There's a little bit of weight to them. They have embossed scrap on them, probably not Victorian and probably not that new, somewhere in between, and then a little bit of wire to just make it easy to hang. So I could put them all on one tree or even hang them from like a curtain or a curtain rod, but I think I'll display the pink angels in this room and maybe even the green in here. and the blue maybe on my feather tree. I hope you are enjoying seeing these videos on the 25th of the month. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next month in another Christmas video. Bye.